A group of pastors is planning to break the law this Sunday by preaching politics from the pulpit. Jason Carroll joins me now with a look at this unique form of civil disobedience. Hey, Jason.
Some call it civil disobedience. This protest is called Pulpit Free Sunday, whatever you want to call it. A group of pastors will be taking on the IRS this weekend by publicly endorsing a candidate for president.
This Sunday's sermon at Bethlehem's First Baptist Church outside Atlanta, Georgia, will be unlike any before. Parishioners will get the traditional mix of moral guidance and an unusual dose of politics from their pastor.
I'll be endorsing McCain, but again, strictly because of not his party, but because of where he stands on biblical issues.
Pastor Jody Heiss believes Senator John McCain is more in step with conservative Christian values than Senator Barack Obama. For example, Obama supports abortion rights. McCain generally does not. But when Heiss endorses McCain from the pulpit, he'll be breaking federal tax law, which prohibits churches and other tax-exempt entities from participating in political campaigns on behalf of a candidate.
Ultimately, I've got to trust God with that. But again, my role is to teach the Bible and hopefully to be able to do so without the IRS breathing down my neck.
This Sunday, 30 other pastors in 22 states will follow in Pastor Heiss's footsteps. The effort, organized by a conservative organization called Alliance Defense Fund, ADF. Its ultimate goal, repeal the IRS's 54-year ban on political endorsements by tax-exempt houses of worship.
There is a split within the evangelical law community, if you will, about exactly how to go about changing this law. There is concern about some of these pastors going ahead and, in essence, breaking the law.
A group called Americans United for Separation of Church and State opposes what the ADF and some pastors are doing.
A pastor's job really is to bring his congregation together, not to divide them along partisan lines or to say that, you voted for candidate X, so you're a better Christian than the fellow next to you who voted for candidate Y.
Pastor Jody Heiss says he'll risk losing his church's tax-exempt status for the higher good.
It's not a matter of whether or not a pastor endorses a candidate. The issue really comes down is who is going to regulate what a pastor can say.
Well, the Internal Revenue Service released a statement saying, quote, "We are aware of recent press reports and will monitor the situation and take action as appropriate. And if the IRS does take punitive action, the ADF will likely challenge in court. But similar cases have been tested in the courts before in the early 90s and again in 2000. Both times, the court sided with the IRS.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Jason, good to see you this morning. Thanks.
All right.